Hey friends, so today we're reviewing this Bobbi Boss Rosewood unit. I have the color TT427430. This is a really pretty unit, nice soft waves. It's super long. It's actually a little bit longer than I thought. This is a lace part wig with the typical Bobbi Boss brown lace. It comes with those two combs in the front, one in the back, and then you're going to get that lace part in the middle. It also has this nice ventilated cap so you can scratch your scalp if you need to. So with my wigs like this, I always go in with a wig grip. A wig grip will save your life, girl. I'm telling you, you'll be picking up bread in aisle 5 and your wig will slip back if you don't have a wig grip on. But put your wig grip on and you're gonna be okay. So I was just filling out this wig. It feels really good. This is what the length is looking like in the front. And then in the back, this is what she's looking like. So it's a really nice density, not too thick, not too thin. And yeah, coming down like mid-back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off camera. I didn't need to cut it any special kind of way, so I just cut it off camera because y'all know I can't see. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that this wig was very tangly. I know with synthetic units it's kind of expected, but it was really tangly. So I'm using this new wig spray. I know that awesome is what I normally use, but I found this one in my local beauty supply store, and I've used this brand before on, and I really like it. Plus I like the way it smells. Plus it kind of low-key brought back memories because, believe it or not, that was like the first brand wig spray that I used on my channel. Don't believe me? Go back and watch them videos, girl. I'm telling you, I used to use this green bottle wig spray. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just brushing it out. I'm noticing some shedding, a lot of shedding. That's kind of expected too with this color. So I'm just brushing and detangling. I also like this brush too. I mean, but you could use any detangling brush, but just like a wide one. But yeah, it was really tangly at first, but I think if you just spray it, like I've mentioned before with synthetic units, you have to kind of condition it. And look at that magic. Look at that magic. So I also like to combine my wig spray with this, a little bit of serum, just a little bit, okay? I like to put a little bit of serum on top of the wig spray. The wig spray that I'm using dries really, really fast, and I also like that too. But I just feel like these, see, it smells good. But I just feel like the combination really helps make a difference with these synthetic wigs. And look at that, trained and tamed, like a relationship. You train and you tame them, okay? So now let's go ahead and tackle this part. This part was really, really tight. I'm noticing that on these units. I had to go in and kind of pull some hairs. If you're not comfortable doing this, I would not recommend doing it because you can get holes. Trust me, I've done it before. But it's really simple. Just pull a few hairs out of the front and just like look at it and pull it out. Like, it's not really hard at all. And I also do like to go in with some powder, but I had to open up this part though, because this part was narrow, y'all. She was narrow. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of powder later, but right now I'm just trying to work on getting some of those hairs out to open it up. Next, I'm going in with my hot comb. There are no filler hairs in this hair like I noticed like with Jules, but I just felt like it needed to be flattened out just a little bit fresh out the pack. And if you notice, you see the difference. It's just a little bit flatter than the other side. To me, it just helps with not looking so wiggy, and it just helps it to look a little bit more natural. More shedding, guys, but honestly, after I brushed it out, and it wasn't shedding that bad. It's just that, yeah, it is a lot of hair that initially comes out. So next I'm going in with that powder. If you notice, you see how that powder just really opens up that part? Yeah, boy. So yeah, it just opens up the part. This is the brush I'm using. It's an e.l.f. brush. It's like $1. Okay, really small brush. And that's pretty much it. Very beginner friendly. The cap also feels good. I didn't mention that. It didn't feel as small as the other units. This color is really pretty. I like the color blend on here. Get this nice gold with the brown in the back. And yeah, a look for under $40. Can't beat that. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think she's super cute. I like the color blend. I like the waves. Really easy, beginner friendly. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.